Charles Eugene Flandrau. One of the people, they say, that named us the Gopher State. It's a state park in this fantastic town of New Elm. It's in southern Minnesota. It's a pretty good park, lots of camping. It's got a man-made swimming hole for the kiddos and people alike of all ages. Plenty of places to sit, picnic. It's right on the Cottontail River, which is pretty dang nice, if I do say so myself. It's got a little place for the kids to play. Charles Eugene Flandrau, man of Minnesota, a historian. There's latrines there. And this is that playground for the kids. It's even got a boat in there. Why wouldn't it? Because it's Minnesota. That's how we do it.